Our constitution protects everyone in our country, but it contains special protections for groups that are especially vulnerable, like children, the elderly, and people who have been arrested and detained by the police. People in detention are vulnerable because they are completely reliant on the state for the provision and protection of their rights, like food, healthcare, and safety and security of the person. In South Africa, we have a shameful history of people being harmed in detention, but whether they are detained or even convicted, they still have the same rights as everybody else and are protected by our constitution, although some of their rights, like the right to freedom of movement, will be limited. They also have the right to remain silent and not be forced to confess to anything after the arrest, and the right to a fair trial, which includes the right to a lawyer and a chance to defend themselves before a court that uses a language they understand as soon as possible.
The right could have come handy if I knew what was expected in me in court. If I'm in trial for so long, this is what I could do. If a lawyer assigned to me decide not to represent me, to be assigned another lawyer.
They also have the right to be released on bail if it would be in the interest of justice, even if they cannot afford bail. And if they are convicted and sentenced to prison, the conditions of their detainment needs to respect their dignity, like adequate accommodation, food, and medical treatment.